what the targets are and the reporting structure. As we are here this morning, the enrollment is going on, and it will be good to know how far or how well we are doing so far with the enrollment, and what we must do between now and the 1st of October when the actual rollout begins, and what must happen going forward beyond the 1st of October. Also, to just put things into perspective, we have 8 regions administratively within the National Government Administration structure. The RCs had been introduced, but 2 of the regional commissioners walked in as we were finishing that process. The regional commissioner for Western, Mr. Irungu Masharia, thank you, and the regional commissioner for Nyanza, Madam Flora Moroa. We have 47 counties. For today, the county commissioners are not with us, but they will benefit from the discussions that we'll be having because they're part of the reporting mechanism. And then we have a total of 389 deputy county commissioners spread across in each of the regions and the 47 counties. And below the deputy county commissioners, we have the assistant county commissioners. And then below the assistant county commissioners, you have the chiefs, who are in close to 4,000, close to 1,000 locations, and the assistant chiefs in 3,999 sub-locations. And below the assistant chiefs, who are at the sub-locations, you have the village elders, and we have in excess of 106,000 villages. And this marries closely with a close to, is it 107,000 community health promoters spread across the country. So you can already see that there's a very good nexus and a very good opportunity to be able to have a perfect and seamless linkage with our CHPs for purposes of us undertaking and rolling out this program. With those few remarks, allow me to invite the Cabinet Secretary responsible for Interior and National Administration to make his remarks, and then he will invite the CS for Health. Thank you.
Thank you, PS Raymond.